Socio-environmental officer Charlene Innes allowed us to take a glimpse into her humble upbringing.
So I'm a country girl. I'm initially from New Amsterdam, Berbice. Grew up. I went to secondary school in Georgetown, and I furthered my education from there. Went on to the University of Vienna. I'm also the only girl.
Contrary to what some might think, women have the monopoly in the field of environmental officers at the Ministry of Public Infrastructure.
The ministry of itself is male dominated, but our field is not, because you have a lot of female environmental officers.
Environmental officer Kevin Lucas gave us an overview of the academic requirements to land the job.
Any person that would like to become an environmental officer can either pursue a degree in environmental studies, environmental science, or you can pursue a degree in biology.
Like in all things, family support has been their backbone throughout their journey.
My support system was really good. I think that's one thing I was very grateful for. I had both of my parents, but specifically my mom. That was with me every step of the way.
Whenever I decide to make a major decision, I would usually consult them and ask their input, and so far they've been very supportive in whatever I decided to do.
There was also sound advice for women who may want to venture into the career path.
I would tell them go for it if that's what they want to do and they have a passion for the environment and protecting the environment and the social part, if they like interaction and listening to people's views and concerns and see how projects can help them, then go for it.
Other than their academic accomplishments, their pride lies in the fruits of their work.
For me, I worked a lot in hinterland projects. So going to areas that were remote and persons that they didn't have access to certain roads or certain bridges and actually seeing those things implemented and seeing the effects that it had, or even electricity projects, I think that has been something that has been very memorable to me.
I'm the only girl for my parents. And even my big brother, he tends to look up to me sometimes. And it feels really good knowing that you're a role model and, he admires some of the things that I do. And yeah, for me, that's my biggest accomplishment.